All right, everybody. Now, today we are going to learn the negative part of will have. As we already covered the positive of will have, but in today's lesson, in today's class, we are going to look at or we are going to have the example or the definition of will have in the sense of negative. All right. So, for this term, I'm going to call on the stage who is none other than Sama. So please let's give a big round of applause for this girl. Please, Sama, come on the stage. So just for the audience, please let us know your name. So what's your name, by the way?
My name is Shama.
Sama. All right. What a cute name you have, by the way. All right. Sama, how are you doing today? How are you doing?
Fine.
All right. Awesome. Great. So basically, we are going to discuss the use of will have in terms of negative. All right. So are you comfortable in answering my questions? All right. Go ahead. Thank you, guys. And this is what the confidence everybody must have. Like whenever you try to speak English, see, making mistakes or committing mistakes while speaking different languages, which is not our native language, right, is obvious. So if you try to speak English and if you find yourself that you're making a lot of mistakes while speaking English, please let that happen. Let that happen because committing mistake is quite obvious, right? So with this note, I'm going to ask a few questions in Hindi, which he is going to translate into English. All right? Can we start? All right. Let's suppose if I got to say कि तुम्हारे पास एक दिन कुछ नहीं होगा because of your behavior, because of your negligence behavior. Negligence, we can't say negligence, because of your behavior, because of your bad behavior. कि जो आपका behavior है ना, I don't think कि आपके पास एक अच्छी, क्या बोला था मैंने हिंदी में, हाँ, कि आपके पास एक अच्छी लाइफ होगी, आपके पास कुछ भी होगा. मुझे ये कहना है, आपके पास एक दिन एक अच्छी लाइफ नहीं होगी. Then how would you say?
You will not have good life one day.
Wonderful. You will not have a good life one day. कि आपके पास एक अच्छी लाइफ नहीं होगी. Let's suppose if I got to say कल मेरा एग्जाम नहीं होगा. कल मेरा एग्जाम नहीं होगा. See, this sentence can be framed in many ways, but we are learning the concept of will have. So we are going to frame this sentence based on only that term. All right. Hoping you are going to make the same structure. You are going to use the same structure just to have the sense of this sentence. Getting? All right. So let's suppose you got to say, कल मेरा एग्जाम नहीं होगा. Then how would you say? कल मेरा एग्जाम नहीं होगा. It simply means कि मेरे पास कुछ नहीं होगा कल. So what will you not have tomorrow?
I will not have my exam tomorrow.
Wonderful. Or you can say I will not have an exam tomorrow. The sentence you have spoken right now is wonderful. Correct. Absolutely correct. But you can say in another way as well, I will not have an exam tomorrow. All right. Another sentence, if I got to say, किसी के भी पास समय नहीं होगा. किसी के भी पास समय नहीं होगा. I know it is little tricky one, but let's see if you make it or not. किसी के भी पास एक दिन ना समय नहीं होगा. या फिर सिंपल, किसी के भी पास समय नहीं होगा. How would you say?
Anyone will not have time one day.
All right. Though the sentence he has spoken right now or made right now is not correct as per grammar, because anyone, the subject anyone cannot be used here. She could have said or she must have said, no one will have time one day. No one will have time one day. Why? ये जो तीन टर्म आते हैं आपके, एक समवन आते हैं, एक आपके एनीवन आता है और एक नो वन आता है. समवन और एनीवन जो है, समवन ज्यादातर पॉजिटिव में यूज होता है, एनीवन आपका पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव में भी, आई मीन इंट्रोगेटिव में यूज होता है, लेकिन नेगेटिव के लिए स्पेशल वर्ड है हमारे पास, क्या है? नो वन. गेटिंग? तो हमें बोलना था किसी के पास ना समय नहीं होगा. नो वन विल हैव टाइम. लास्ट सेंटेंस आपके लिए. अब मेरे अंदर ना इंग्लिश बोलने का डर नहीं होगा. अब मेरे अंदर इंग्लिश बोलने का डर नहीं होगा. कैसे बोलेंगे आप?
मेरे अंदर. I will not have
fear. The fear of
मतलब
speaking
English.
Rephrase it again.
I will not have
The
fear on
of,
speaking English.
not on, of.
Of speaking English.
Wonderful. So the sentence was, I will not have the fear of speaking English. Getting? Alright. So I hope guys, we are going to end this session and you did well. Thank you. Please take your seat. And please clap for her guys, please. Alright guys, so I'm hoping the same that you must have enjoyed and learned something from this video. Again, I am asking you to drop your concern of the problem in the comment section below so that I may help you in order to improve your English. All right. So if you have any sort of problem regarding English, please share your concern, share your problem in the comment section below so that I can help you with your English. So with this note, I'm wrapping up this video. Signing off. This is Aman Kumar. Keep learning, guys. Thank you so much.